This is Mrs. Ponslet, and I'm going to talk you through our narrative writing assignment module. We're looking at the power of stories. Our statement of inquiry is narratives express how connections between people and settings influence who we are as humans. And we've been studying that in different texts, in novels, in short stories. We've looked at narratives, stories, and we're really going to look at the connections between people and settings in that you are going to be creating people and settings, and then you're going to create a story where they're interacting. So, our writing process. First, you are going to sketch out a setting and you are going to create a location. You're going to think about the time period, all of those things. You'll get formative feedback on it. Next, you're going to create a character who is in the setting. So you'll think about who could be in that setting. And again, you'll get formative feedback on that. Finally, you are going to write your own narrative story that puts this character in this setting, and then there's some conflict and some dialogue and some interesting things that happen. So the way that you'll be scored, we're going to look especially at criterion C, which is producing text. So I'm really looking at your imagination, you're thinking about the audience, your thoughtfulness, details, description, and especially dialogue. For criterion D, we're going to be looking at using language. So I want to see good word choice, punctuation, especially as we're using dialogue. You want to make sure that every day you have your notebook, a writing utensil. You want to have your iPad fully charged. You'll need earbuds, and you'll probably want to use Notability for this. So, in our module called Narrative Writing Assignment, I'll always have that module in Canvas, and you are going to do these steps in order. So you want to make sure that you do all of these that are labeled must do. Then there will be some that say should do. So for those of you, if you're working ahead, or if you know that you want to stretch yourself a little bit, then make sure you do the should do pages, but everybody needs to do the must do pages by the deadlines that I give you in class. So you want to make sure that you are following along, waiting for feedback at different checkpoints, and then completing these in order. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can talk to me in class. Thanks.